What is the value of the expression 6 minus 2 times open bracket 6 divided by 2 times 2 close bracket? Which option do you think is the correct answer to this question? Everyone thinks this question is so easy, but it actually tricks a lot of people. Let's dive in and break it down step by step together. Many people at first go straight to the expression 6 minus 2, which I have highlighted in yellow, and instead of this expression, they write 4 multiplied by 6 divided by 2 times 2 inside the brackets. In the next step, they move on to the expression inside the brackets and start with 6 divided by 2. So this expression simplifies to 4 multiplied by 3 times 2 inside the brackets. In the final step, they go for the multiplication between 3 and 2 and replace this expression with 4 times 6, which eventually gives them the answer 24. And without any hesitation, they quickly say that option D is the correct answer to this question. But it's not the correct answer. Also, some other people to solve this question first go straight to the expression inside the brackets and start with the multiplication between the twos because they think multiplication has priority over division. So, instead of the entire expression, they write 6 minus 2 times 6 divided by 4 inside the brackets. In the next step, they move on to the division between 6 and 4, which simplifies the expression to 6 minus 2 times 1.5. Then, they go for the multiplication between 2 and 1.5, because they believe multiplication has priority over subtraction. So, instead of this expression, they write 6 minus 3, which finally gives them the answer 3. And immediately, they say that the correct answer to this question is option B. However, this answer is absolutely wrong. Now let me show you how to solve this expression properly. To solve this question, we need to strictly follow the BODMAS rule step by step. In this rule, B stands for bracket, O stands for order, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. We must carry out all the operations exactly in order from top to bottom. Alright, first we start with the expression inside the brackets, because brackets have the highest priority compared to the other operations. Okay, as you can see in the image, we have a division sign followed by a multiplication sign. It's very important to keep in mind that according to the BODMAS rule, multiplication and division have the same level of priority. So, the best thing to do here is to proceed from left to right and perform these two operations step by step in order. Okay, first we start with the expression 6 divided by 2 and rewrite this expression as 6 minus 2 multiplied by 3 times 2 inside the brackets. In the next step, we perform the multiplication between 3 and 2 inside the brackets. And this expression simplifies to 6 minus 2 times 6. Then, we move on to the multiplication between 2 and 6, because multiplication has a higher priority than subtraction. So, we write this expression as 6 minus 12. And finally, we get the answer negative 6. Therefore, option A is the correct answer to this question.